Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss two questions based on the concept of string whatever we have discussed in our previous video. Okay, so the first question is, which of the following results in a syntax error? Okay, first option is yes backslash n no, defined using single quote. Next option is yes in the first line, no in the second line, defined using single quote. For the third option, in the first line yes, in the second line no, and defined using double quote. For the fourth option, it is defined using triple quote and the string is yes no. Okay, so try to think which options will raise to syntax error. Multiple options may give correct answer, that is multiple options may raise to syntax error. Okay, pause my video for a moment, think about the solution. So the options which will raise to syntax error are basically 2 and 3. Okay, why not first one? Very simple. First one has no problem. Only backslash will indicate that this n will be treated differently. That is, this n will not be treated like normal character, it will indicate next line. Okay, if you simply print, it will be treated as raw string and it will print as it is. But if you use print and give the string yes in the first line, no in the second line will be printed, right? Now second option obviously will raise to syntax error. Why? Because I told you that if you want to define a string in multiple lines, you have to use triple quote, either triple single quote or triple double quote. But here we are defining a string in multiple lines, but we are using single quote, so obviously we will be getting error. For the same reason, for the third option also will be getting error. Okay, see, if I run, I will be getting error. So end of line error, that is, this particular string is not properly ended, right? And what about for the fourth option? I discussed that the triple quote can be used to define a string in multiple lines, but the triple quote can be used to define a string in single line also. It will not give any error. Okay, so if you run, you will be getting no error. It will be treated, if you are defining a string using triple quote but the string takes only one line, then it will be treated like normal single quote, double quote, how I define a string, how we define string generally, right? So second and third option are wrong. Okay, congratulations to you if you have chosen the options correctly. If you have not chosen, you now know the reason, no problem in that. So we are in learning phase, mistake may happen, no issue in that. Next question, which of the following results in a syntax error? See, options are 3 backslash defined using single quote. That's okay. Here apostrophe s, point to be noted, defined using double quote. That's okay, defined using single quote. That's okay, defined using double quote, but the difference is here one more single quote is there. Try to think which options will raise to syntax error. Now here also multiple options may be correct answer. Okay, pause my video for a moment, try to think. So the answers are 1 and 3. Okay, see, let us discuss one by one the reasons. And again, congratulations to you if you have predicted the answer correctly. So here 3 backslash. See, what I told you, already discussed earlier, that if you give backslash before single quote, the single quote will not be treated like normal single quote, it will be treated like normal character and it will be printed. So see here, for this particular string there is beginning single quote which is indicating the beginning of the string, but there is actually no closing single quote. This single quote will lose its power to close the string because of this particular backslash. Okay, so if I run, I'll be getting error. Okay, but what you can do, rather define this inside single quote, give backslash and then give one more single quote. Okay, see, now if you run, you will not be getting error. The string which will be printed, that is 3 single quote, that is the backslash will make this particular single quote as a normal character. Okay, but this is not happening, actually our string is this one, so which will raise to syntax error, right? See, syntax error. Second one, no problem in that. What we have done, we have used single quote inside a string which is defined using double quote. So obviously not at all a problem. I already told you that you can simply define single quote inside double quote and double quote inside single quote, right? So see, it is giving no error. For the third one, Why it is a problem? Tell me. Yes. See, here we are starting the single quote which indicates starting of the string, but as soon as it will find this apostrophe s, compiler don't know this is apostrophe s. Compiler will treat that as ending of the string. So that this particular part will be a string, but for s okay part there is ending single quote but no beginning single quote. As a result, it will give us error. For the fourth option, again it is completely okay, no issue in that, because we are giving single quote inside a string which is defined using double quote. We can give as many times single quote as I want. So no issue in that. See, it is giving no error. Okay. So the correct answer options are 1 and 3 will raise to error, syntax error. Okay. So this is all for my this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Thank you for watching.